All right, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the engine air filter on a 2018 Honda Accord Sport 1.5 liter. Very simple process, nothing too crazy. Part number for this filter, you can get one at your local auto parts store. It's going to be SA90223. So it should be very simple and save you a couple bucks. So normally you would have this guy on this little locking tab, and it's kind of off alignment. I wonder why it wasn't done right here. So let's go ahead and get that over here. And normally, dang, so normally you should have a little locking tab right here, I want to assume, and you would kind of either lift up or something, would pull this back, and then you have one locking tab right here. So pull that back, and then you will lift up in the front and just pull towards you, and then you can just kind of move this out the way, then grab filter, pull it out, and then voila, here's our filter. Make sure you compare it just like that. So the way how we pulled it, it's gonna be like this. So let's go ahead and put this back in. So where the little two notches should be pointed towards you. And then when inserting the filter, see the little two notches on the actual filter part right here? Make sure that they slide in. So I'm grabbing the top of the filter housing and just turning it and then trying to slide it in, and you'll push down and then slip up the little locking tab. And that's pretty much it. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching.